Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's paint this cute little paddle. I'm putting a baby pink on here, and then I decided to add some pink lemonade to this from Paint Pixie because it just was not quite pink enough for me. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of do a light pink in the center and a darker pink around the edges. Then I'm going to take this heart and I'm going to trace it at different angles, turn it different ways so that the hearts are just kind of strewn about on here. Anyway, we're going to take the red paint, crimson red paint from Waverly, and we're going to paint all of these hearts in. And I just paint over each and every one of them in the color crimson. A lot of people don't like pinks and reds together, but for Valentine's Day, I think it's the perfect combination. And I just kind of wrap those hearts around the edge of this to kind of finish out the heart, or to make your eye wander to the side to see the heart shape. I think this is so cute. I just absolutely love these little projects like this. We're going to put some stripes on here with some white Deco Art paint. I'm going to go around this one with it, and we're just going to kind of work that white paint into the red and kind of give us a pink border. And then this one here, I was going to do the stripes up and down, and then I decided, no, I'm just going to go ahead and paint that in, and we just painted over in a pink lemonade color. I like that pink. So I'm going to do the same with this one here. We're just going to kind of go around it. This one here, we're going to put some pink lemonade polka dots. Then we're going to put some white polka dots on the one that we painted in with the pink. Always work in a triangle pattern when you're putting your polka dots on. It will keep them spaced exactly right. I put some up and down stripes on that one. And this one here, we're just going to go around it in the Deco Art white. This one we're going around in the pink. And I'm just kind of adding a variation of colors just to kind of make these all work together. We're going to clean up our stripes a little bit with some red. This was a really fun thing to do, you guys. You might as well have a little fun with your projects. If you're going to take time to do them, you might as well enjoy doing them. I took and added some little bitty hearts. I just freehanded all these. I did white, pink, and red. And I did some open and some closed hearts. And what I mean by open is I didn't fill in the centers. And then I took some white paint and put it on a toothbrush and just flicked it onto it to where it would have like little white specks all over the pink. Just to give it a little bit more of, I want to say busyness, but that's not the word I want to use. But it did help with filling a little bit of that area. And I'm just kind of going around these with my paint pens. If you've never used the Posca paint pens, you guys, you want to get you some. They are pretty awesome. I really do like them. Then we're going to put this bow on here. And I did not like the heart that I laid on there to begin with, but I found a really cute little white heart that works really well with this. It's a Totally Dazzled. We added it to the center of our bow. Now we're adding some gemstones to this. These gemstones I got at Hobby Lobby. You can buy a pack that's got tons of them in it for, I don't know, you guys. I don't remember what the price was on it, but it wasn't very expensive. And I'm just adding these to around some of the hearts, in some of the stripes, around the edges. Wherever I felt like I needed to have a little extra color or a little extra bling, I added these. As you can see, we're going around the outside of this one. And these gemstones, when you turn them, they have like a iridescent type look to them. But this, all in all, was a fun project. It was not difficult at all. Anyone could do this. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. And if you don't follow Rekindle Blessings, hit that button, you guys. Please share this out.